Have you ever tried to run away from something important? Let me tell you an amazing story about Prophet Yunus. Long ago, Allah gave Prophet Yunus a special mission. He was told to go to the city of Nineveh and teach the people there about Allah. But Yunus felt worried. What if they don't listen? What if they get angry? So he made a big mistake. He decided to run away. Yunus went to the sea and got on a big ship. He thought he could escape from his duty. But you can never hide from Allah. Soon a terrible storm came. The waves were huge. The ship was rocking back and forth. The sailors were so scared. They realized someone on the ship had done something wrong. When they found out it was Younas, he told them the truth. "Throw me into the sea," he said, "and the storm will stop." So they did, and suddenly the sea became calm. But here's the most amazing part. Allah sent a giant whale to swallow Younas. Can you imagine? He was inside the whale's belly in complete darkness. It was there that Younas realized his mistake. He prayed to Allah with all his heart. "There is no God but you. Glory be to you. I have done wrong." Allah heard his prayer. The whale swam to the shore and gently placed Younas on the beach. Younas was safe. He learned that we can never run away from our responsibilities. Allah is always watching over us, and when we make mistakes, we should pray and ask for forgiveness. And you know what? Younas went back to Nineveh and completed his mission. The people listened and changed their ways. The story of Prophet Yunus teaches us to be brave, to trust Allah, and to never give up.